Saturday morning, I woke up to blizzard warnings. Today is Monday when I'm filming this. These are my windows. I just woke up. It is 8:15 in the morning. As you can see, we have a blizzard going on. So here I am in the kitchen, and look at this. This is my screen porch. And this is my front porch, same thing. The snow and wind have just brutalized everything. I just stepped foot out of my garage to try to capture what it looks like. Look at the mountain of snow on my driveway. This is my driveway. I don't even know how deep this is. This is hilarious. Look at the garbage cans. Oh my. Look at the garbage cans. I don't think I've ever quite lived through this much snow before. Like, blizzard of 78, but I was little. Wow. We are literally buried. This is nuts. I'm gonna be buried here for days. This is nuts.